Hello and welcome, Yarn Besties. It is I, the Crafty Crocheter. So I have a big announcement to make, everyone. So for those of you who have attended my live streams in the past couple weeks, a couple of the girls and I have been formulating a plan for a Crochet Along. So that is going to be the theme for tomorrow's Crochet Therapy Thursdays session. So I hope y'all can attend and crochet along with us as we make the project that is going to be the focus of the Crochet Along. And as you can tell, I am wearing the project. And the project I am referring to is the Happy Days Crochet Bucket Hat. Now, I first found this as a result of the Layers Cupcake yarn that I got at my Michael's, not in this state, but it was up in when I was visiting my in-laws. And they had a cute little project for a bucket hat. So I went ahead and crocheted it. Now the pattern is on the back of this, and at first I was going to print it out and all that, but luckily one of my subscribers had sent me a link for the same pattern. I'm going to include the link in the description so you know where to get the pattern, and it is printable, so you can print this out, and it's 3 pages long, but it has the entire pattern that was inside the label, so you don't have to worry about, if you have this label, to squint your eyes or use a magnifying glass, because the print on here is quite tiny. So thank you, Roseanne, for redirecting me to that link. So I actually printed it out. So again, like I said, I will include it in the description below so y'all can print it out. And this is aimed for beginners who are just getting into crochet, or if you're a novice crocheter, because this is a very simple project to do. And this hat is basically a lot of half double crochets and some single crochets. So I would suggest download the pattern, read it thoroughly so that way you have an idea of what to do so you don't get stuck or lost on the pattern. And I'll be crocheting it along with y'all. So the yarn recommended for this is basically a cotton yarn, because that's what the yarn was that I used. But I'm assuming you can use a worsted weight yarn too, because it's got that enough thickness to be sturdy enough. But if you go through your yarn stash and see if you have any cotton yarn already existing in your stash, or you can go out to the store and go out to your local craft store like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, or if you go to Walmart carries a lot of cotton yarns too, and just get yourself a small skein. Now the recommended skein size cake size or skein size that they recommend for this project is either 125 grams or 4.4 ounces, or 151 meters or 165 yards. Which, again, if you're lucky enough to find this yarn at your local Michael's or off their Yarn Inspirations website, go for it, because it's a very simple project to do. So, and we're going to go over all the details tomorrow in the live stream, so that way y'all won't be kind of nervous about not being able to work on this project. So, and I think this hat looks good. Looks good on me. So. And I did not plan for this to have it color coordinate. So in case you're all wondering in the comments, like was this pre-planned? No, it was just this coincidence. So yeah, I would, again, print out I'm going to include the link in the description below for the pattern. Print it out, study it, get all your tools together, the yarns together, and so that way you're ready whenever we start the Crochet Along. So hopefully this will be a great turnout, because this was a fun idea that someone had come up with, and it was something I've been pondering for quite some time. Like maybe doing a Crochet Along will allow more people to engage with us, and engage with me, and get to know me as a content creator and so forth. So I hope to see y'all there. So hope everyone's day is going well today. Love yourself, be true to yourself, spread love and not hate. Be there for one another, be kind to one another. Stay true to yourself, love yourself, and stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very important. On that note, take care of yourselves and each other.